Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as crazy as it sounds, we are here today preparing for June. And I know everyone says this, how does the year go by so quickly? But literally, like, I cannot believe that we're sitting here, and today we're going to be preparing and resetting for June. Literally crazy, but I'm actually really excited because June just means the beginning of summer, and I am just so excited to step into summer, romanticize summer, just do all the summer things. But before we can do that, we do have some prep to do. So first I need to deep clean my room, and it's not too bad right now because I just did a whole like spring reset. This is what it's looking like right now. I do need to like sweep my floors, dust, clean my mirrors and everything, and just like straighten up everything up, but it's not like too bad. Like, I just cleaned my sheets and everything like a few days ago, a week ago, not even, so that doesn't need to be done. It's really minimal like cleaning, but I just want to like straighten everything up and just make it feel like nice and clean in here. And then we're gonna be setting some goals, doing some journaling. I'm gonna get my nails done, my summer nails done, and we're just gonna be prepping for June. So let's get started on my room. Okay, so now that my whole room is done and clean, it feels so much better in here. So now it's time to move on to the goals / vision board section of this video. So first things first, I want to set some monthly goals. I used to do this every single month in like 2024, 2025. I was setting goals every single month, and it really like helped me have more focus and I feel like more of a path, and I wasn't kind of just like doing whatever. I really want to bring this back because I haven't done this since January, so it's been a while. So we're gonna make some June goals, and it helps if you add some color, if you make it look a little cute, because then you're more motivated to look back at it, I feel like. So I just did a little green. So I'm gonna just set some goals and we'll talk about them, and then we'll make a vision board about the goals. Okay, so I just wrote down whatever I could think of right now. I may add more as they come to me, but what I've written so far is read from my physical TBR, daily walk, post daily on TikTok, romanticize summer, watch 3 movies, celebrate Summerween, and be more me. When I say be more me, this is something that I'm really trying to work out like mentally, and just like voice what I'm actually feeling and just like try to be more authentically me instead of like catering to what I think other people want me to be. Just something I'm working on. So those are my June goals for now. So now I'm gonna make a vision board, and I'm just gonna go onto Pinterest and then put all the pictures into Canva and just make like an aesthetic little vision board for what I want June to look like, and just to kind of like represent my goals a little bit. Okay, so the last step for my June reset slash summer prep is to get my nails done. So I actually cut them down earlier just to make it easier for my sister, because if you didn't know, my sister's a nail tech, so whenever I want my nails done, she's like, hey, come see me. So I want to get like something summery, but like, I don't know, I'm a very like simple nail design girl. Like, I don't want a lot, and I usually do my natural nails, but since only half of them were like a long length, I am just gonna get Gel X. So the design that I wanted to get was literally just colors, but I thought the colors were so cute. So this is like the design I actually like originally wanted. But like my sister, she loves doing designs. Like, she's such a talented nail artist. She loves doing like crazy designs and stuff like that. So she was like, please let me do an actual design on your nails. So I am gonna do like a, like, you guys will see after obviously, but I'm gonna do like a sort of like a SpongeBob, like the sky with like the clouds, where it's like the flowers are like the clouds. I think that would be like so summery and like a perfect like intro to summer sort of nails. And I love SpongeBob. Like, obviously this is my car air freshener, by the way. I'm gonna get those. I'm here right now, just pulled up, so I'm gonna go inside and let's get our nails done. You guys, I am literally obsessed with my nails. She did such a good job. They were like literally everything that I imagined. They're so freaking cute. I just feel like they're like the perfect like intro to summer nails, and like I said, I love SpongeBob. So I just think they're so freaking cute, and now I feel like I'm all prepped and ready for June and summer, because now it's officially summer. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna be posting so much summer content. I'm literally like going to be romanticizing the heck out of summer this year, because it's already 95 degrees and I'm like already dying, but I'm going to romanticize this summer as much as possible. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys so soon. Bye guys.